Hey everybody, so today I am doing my back to school Dead Girl Glam affordable makeup tutorial. So basically this is a basic Dead Girl Glam look. It is for when you want to wear a full face of makeup to school. I remember when I was in school it was either all or nothing. Like you got this or you got no makeup at all. So if you're like me, this is for the days where you want to go all out and wear like, you know, fun, bright, weird, kind of creepy makeup. So like I said, this is my everyday version of a basic dead girl glam look. That's kind of hard to say sometimes. So we just have a blown out smoky eye with some light, you know, just like a little touch of red eyeshadow just to make you look slightly sickly. We have super highlighted cheeks and a nice gloss. So I used all affordable products in this video, and most of them you can find at your local drugstore, whether it's a Walmart or CVS. A couple of these I did use like one Colourpop item, so I can find Colourpop at my local Ulta, but like I said, 99.9% of this you can find at your drugstore. It is all affordable, and of course, as always, it is all cruelty-free. So if you're looking for a basic look that's not so basic, that's a little spooky, a little edgy, a little Dead Girl Glam, but also affordable and cruelty-free and relatively quick, I can do this full face of makeup in like 10-15 minutes. So it's nothing that's gonna take up a half hour of your morning, and you're still gonna look cute and a little creepy, and you're not gonna spend $1 million on it. So that's the point of this video. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this basic everyday back to school Dead Girl Glam, then just keep watching, it's coming. All right, everybody, let's get going. So first, we're going to start, of course, with the base, but first, make sure you moisturize your skin. I know I didn't when I was in school back in the day. So just make sure you moisturize your skin if you haven't already. I already have, so let's get going. First, today I'm going to take, let's zoom in. So today I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Beige, but I have a couple other alternatives. For me, LA Girl is easy to find. It's cheap at Ulta, and then you could also find it at Walmart near me. But just in case it's not as easy to find, I also have these suggestions. These are both foundations that I have worn a ton on my channel. So if you watch my channel, you already know I love these for drugstore foundations, but they are the Covergirl Outlast Stay Fabulous Foundation. I'm in the shade 810. And then of course, e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation in the shade Porcelain. This one has been a ride or die. It's like $6. This one is closer to like 10. So a little more expensive, but they're both great, cruelty-free, and at the drugstore. So if you need more options, there you go. But today I decided to mix it up, and we're gonna go with LA Girl. So we're just going to put, I don't know how much you need of this. I haven't worn it in a hot minute. So we're just going to pop this all over our skin. Oh, I think I got a little bit too much. That's okay. We just keep blending. Wow, that was really effective though. Like, I got on there. I'm obsessed with how this foundation looks. It looks so nice. Maybe a tad, like just like a skosh too dark for me. It's fine. Oh yeah, she's oxidizing a little bit, so it's a little dark for me. It's fine. Then we're going to take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is such a good concealer. It is so cheap. It works pretty dang well as a eye primer too. So especially for, you know, getting ready in the morning. Especially if maybe you are a high schooler, maybe you are on a makeup budget, you don't want to buy an eye primer as well. Concealer is eye primer, man. It works. But in my opinion, some concealers are not good for primer, but there are quite a few that are. And to set the under eyes, and I'm just going to set my whole face with this. This is the Covergirl True Blend Minerals in the shade 50. This is just the transparent one, although this one does have kind of a yellow like tint to it, which is really nice. I'm just going to take the back of my sponge with just like a little bit of powder. I know that looked like a lot more, but I didn't try to like pack it on. I'm just going to kind of set my T-zone, because that's where I get oily the most. And y'all, if you do this method of setting your face with powder with like a sponge like this, please wash your damn face. Packing powder into your face like this can cause breakouts because you're literally packing powder into your pores. So if you do not take the time to properly make sure your makeup is removed, your pores are going to get clogged, and nobody wants that. This powder does have like a natural finish to it. It has like these itty bitty teeny tiny little micro glitters, like micro glitters that just give it enough of a sheen. And y'all know I have always loved matte skin. Like matte skin with a highlight, like I would never ever wear a glittery powder. So it's taking a lot to say, but I really like this powder. It is really friggin' nice. Next, we're going into my trusty e.l.f. bronzer palette. This thing is like $6 and I love every single color in it. It is very nice. Obviously you can tell which color is my favorite color. So we're gonna go ahead and take this one and just warm up the skin a little bit. I'm also trying to go like relatively quick. Like usually I like really take my time with filming, but this is like the speed that I would normally get ready at. So I'm trying to make this as accurate to getting up and getting ready as possible, because this is a back to school routine or even a work routine. Doesn't matter, it's just back to school time. So, you know, I'm just trying to be on top of it. I'm gonna take a little bit on my chin and like down my neck to kind of try to mask the fact that my foundation is too dark for me. Oops. Blush and highlight are both Covergirl. This used to be my favorite blush of all time, and then I went through so many of these before I went cruelty free and before they were cruelty free. This is the e.l.f. Classic Color Blush in Soft, what? No, e.l.f. This is the Covergirl Classic Color Blush in Soft Mink. I love this shade so much. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just pop it on my cheeks. Do you see how shiny it is too? Honestly, you don't even need highlight, but you know we're putting on highlight. Then we're going to take the Covergirl True Blend Super Stunner highlight in Rose Quartz. This one is a little dark for me, but I'm just gonna pop it on as a blush topper a little bit and just a little bit on the nose. Okay, and then I'm gonna go fill in my eyebrows real quick off camera. This isn't drugstore, but everybody has their own brow routines, so you just do your brow routine. My brow routine is very different. If you want to see my brow routine, go to my Instagram at Kittysnack and you can see it on there. I have a little IGTV video, so you can go there. But anyways, I'm gonna go fill in my eyebrows real quick. All right, everybody, brows are on. We're ready to keep this moving with the eyeshadow. So today I'm going to be using the Profusion Mirage palette. This thing was like under $15. It was so ridiculously cheap, and I found it at Walmart, and the pigmentation and the quality are just incredible. So we're gonna use this today, and basically we're gonna do a monochromatic pinky red that's not too crazy and bold. You can still wear it every day, but it's just monochromatic. We're gonna keep it real simple and use one brush to do it. All of these neon brushes are from a BH Cosmetics set. I swear by BH Cosmetics brushes. You can't find them in the drugstore, although you can find them in Ulta now. But you can order them and they're cheap and it's good. So if you need good, affordable brushes, BH Cosmetics. So I'm taking this fat kind of paddle brush. It's also really good for packing. So I'm first gonna take this light pink right here, this kind of mauve-y pink, and we're just going to place this right in the crease as our transition shade. Let's zoom in a little bit more. So we're just going to pop this in the crease. Okay, now we have that down in the crease. We're gonna take this shade right here, which looks crazy intense, but it's not that bad. We're just going to pop that all over the lid. And I'm just kind of lightly dusting into this. You can definitely pack it on more for more intense color payoff, or if you use a primer without setting it, you definitely get like a lot more color payoff. But I don't want anything like too crazy intense, which this is already probably super crazy intense for a lot of people. But we're Dead Girl Glam, we're not like a lot of people. And then just under the eyes. Now you can do, as I have done, you can do this look with literally any color at all. You could just do a basic brown, you could do purple, you could do neon green, you could do like a nice warm brown. I do this all the time with a brown that's, well, there's not really a brown in this palette that's like it, but with like a brown that's like 2 or 3 shades darker than like a transition color, just like a nice medium brown. You can do this with that, which is really like my like everyday look is just one color all over the lid and blend it out under the eyes. And that's it. So this is just nice and easy and Dead Girl Glam and like still kind of out there, but not anything super crazy. I've done this look 1,000,005 times on my channel. Boom, eyeshadow is done. And then I'm just gonna take a pencil brush with this shade and pop it in my inner corner. Okay, I'm sorry, we're using a different brush. I lied when I said we were just using one brush for the whole eyeshadow. But I'm not gonna use that giant brush with red all over it to highlight my inner corner. I'm just not gonna do it. It is really pretty too because it has almost kind of like a pinky reflect. So it really like puts everything together. Okay, then I'm gonna go put on mascara off camera because it takes me forever to put on mascara. But this is my combination of choice. I'm mixing the Kokie Volume and Length mascara with the Essence, the False Lash, Extreme Volume and Curl. They have an orange one, but I like the pink one better. To be honest, I haven't even tried the orange one, so I don't know if I like it better, but this is just the one that I really like. So I just do a coat of this, let it dry, and then I apply some of this, and I curl my lashes, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. All right, everybody, mascara is on, outfit is on. We are almost ready to go. So I have two options for lips depending on your mood. So I think today I'm going to go with the Colourpop So Juicy Lip Gloss in Easy Does It. This is one of my favorite glosses. It is slightly plumping in that it gives kind of like a minty tingling feeling, and I really like glosses. Oh, I have something in my teeth. How long has that been there? I like glosses in that they're easy to remove when you eat and you don't have to like worry about like your lip gloss or your lipstick looking funky after you eat. But my hair is down, and so if I was like walking through school, lip gloss in the hair is not fun. So I'm gonna go with Colourpop lip gloss today because I'm just feeling the gloss. But if you want like an option for a Dead Girl Glam nude matte liquid lipstick that you can find at the drugstore, I love the Amore Satin Lip Cream in the shade Luxe. It is so nice, and I used this in my full face of affordable products, which I will link in the cards if I don't remember. If not, it'll be linked at the very, very end of the video with my ending screen. But I used this in that. It's really, really nice, super comfortable, and there, make sure you get the Amore Satin ones though, because the Amore mattes are very, very, very drying. But these, so nice for every day. So if you want something matte that's not gonna really budge, but that's also like relatively easy to remove and comfortable on the lips all day, go with this guy. But today, I'm gonna go with Colourpop Lip Gloss because I just love it. Alright everybody, and this is the final look using all affordable products, and 99.9% of them you can find at the drugstore or at Walmart or at Ulta. And this is my basic Dead Girl Glam, so just like everyday quick Dead Girl Glam. Now, I know that this is a lot of makeup, but this is for when you want to wear a lot of makeup, as I talked about in the beginning of the video. But this is it, quick, easy Dead Girl Glam. Like I talked about, you can do this eyeshadow with any color you want. Ever. Just pop it all over your lid, blend it into the crease, blend it out with a slightly lighter version of whatever color you're using, and you're done. It's easy, but I love red eyeshadow. I think that's the most obvious thing that I have ever said on my channel. So I wanted to do something that's that's wearable. It's a wearable, everyday Dead Girl Glam look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how your school year's going so far. I know it's only been like a week for most people, and some people haven't even started school yet, but let me know. What are you excited about? What do you hate? What do you love? What grade are you in? And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!